In this video, I will be showing you how to set up the loyalty on master account level in Sayl and Sayl Customer. Firstly, I'm going to log into my account. And then once I'm logged in, I'm going to Sayl Customer in the menu bar and then to the option Loyalty. There is a possibility that this option is locked for you, like these three options. If that's the case, please go to your profile first to see whether you have the correct license terms to be able to access loyalty. Once you have the correct terms, you will be able to start a loyalty program. This program will be given a name, and this name will also be seen by your customers. I'm going to name mine the Resto Heroes. You will see a slug being created here on the right. This is a technical term that you can ignore. Then you will be given your points a name. I will call mine hero points. And you will give them an abbreviation or a symbol. In this case, I'll just do P for points, but it can also be a burger or a cup of coffee as in an emoji. Then we're going to the reward, and here you're going to state how much euro equals 1 point. So how much euros does your customer need to spend to receive 1 loyalty point? I'm going to go for €1 is 1 point, and here you will see that the system will show you what this means when your customer spends 10 euros. So when you change this to €2 is 1 point, you will see that it automatically changes here for your overview. You can also reward the customers that decide to create a new account. So at checkout, when they decide to create a new account within your loyalty system, you can decide to reward them with, for example, 10 points as a welcoming gift. Then you can state an activation date. For example, let's say the 10th of January at midnight. And you can do this via the agenda, but you can also type it manually if you'd like. And then you can also set an end date in the same way. Then we're going to the redemption. Here you're going to state how much points a customer needs to spend in order to receive a discount of €1. So for example, my customer needs to trade 10 points for a €1 discount, and you will see here what that means for 10 points. So when you change this to 20, you will see that when the customer trades 10 points, they get 50 cents discount. In this case, I will keep it at 10 points. You can set a minimum redemption threshold. This means that the customer needs to have collected a minimum amount of total points before they can even start to spend their loyalty points. So for example, my customer must have collected at least 50 points in total to be able to start using those points for discounts. You can also activate a loyalty breakage. When a customer has been inactive for a certain amount of days, let's say for a year, you can decide to remove their loyalty points. You can also decide to remind them of this a certain amount of days before you actually decide to remove the points. So for example, 30 days before I remove their points, they will receive an email that this is going to happen. And then you click confirm. So now let's see, if we click on edit the configuration, we can see an overview of everything that we just created and entered into our loyalty program. With regards to the breakage, to the removal of the points for inactive customers, in the email that you will be sending them beforehand, you can add an image through this tab and it will be visible in the email if that's necessary. Also, if you are a chain, if you have multiple restaurants or shops, you can click here and decide to exclude a shop or a restaurant from your loyalty program if that's applicable. As you can see here in my program, there's already some data entered. That's because we're doing this in a test environment. Let's see if this actually works on our website. So I'm going to go back to my regular account. And then I'm going to go to my settings in Sayl Resto. I'm going to view my shop. I'm just going to order a couple items to see if my loyalty is visible during checkout. So I'm just going to order 2 of these drinks. As I said, there's only 1 item in this test environment. And we're going to go to checkout and select a random time for a pickup. And as you can see right away, I can see that I have earned 5 points with this order. And I can choose to either sign in, log in if I already have a loyalty account, or I can choose to sign up. And when I choose to sign up, it states that I will receive 10 points. So in this case, I am going to sign up. And then I'm going to confirm my order and place the order to see when I go back to Sayl what that means in my overview, in my loyalty overview. And this should get this specific customer 15 points because they get 10 points for signing up, for creating an account in your loyalty program, and they get an additional 5 points for the actual order that they paid for. So now we're going to go back to Sayl to see what this means, and we're going to go back to our master account first. All right, and as you can see, Harry Potter, which I named myself, received 10 points for the creation of an account, and he also placed an order for €5, which got him 5 points. If we click on the order number here, we will be sent to another tab, and we will be able to see all the details regarding the specific order. Okay.